Hi, good morning. Now we are starting with a question, an interesting question. Look at the question. This is you are in class 11th right now, and you have to reach IIT. IIT जाना है, BTech करना है, and BTech भी किसमें करना है? CS में करना है. Fine. Now just making a figure over here. Let's see what is this figure. 1, 2, and that should be enough. Fine. Now looking at things. अभी आप हालत क्लास 11 में हो, आपको जाना है IIT, वहां से आपको करना है BTech. Now we have got a number of ways. One is you have joined PW. Another is आपने सेल्फ स्टडी करना शुरू किया और आपका टारगेट क्या है? IIT जाना. Now you have got a condition over there. The condition is you can move forward or you can move upward. You can take a horizontal step or you can take a vertical step. आप आगे जा सकते हो, ऊपर जा सकते हो, पीछे नहीं आ सकते. The question is the total number of ways to reach IIT. Now what you can do is you can pause the video for 2 minutes, give it a good try, and after that check with me if your solution is correct. So fine, I hope you must have tried. So let's start with the solution. I'll just match it. Look at this. You have to take a horizontal step here, horizontal. And the verticals are, this is the first vertical, second vertical, the third vertical, and the fourth vertical. So in the process, you have to take 3 horizontals and 4 verticals. आपके 3 horizontals हैं and 4 verticals हैं. अब आप horizontal या vertical किसी भी order में ले लो, will reach IIT. For example, you have written 2 horizontals, then you have written 3 verticals. उसके बाद वापस एक horizontal, वापस एक vertical. Let's see the number of ways. आपको क्या करना है? उससे पहले हम देखते हैं क्या ये पाथ बन गया. There are 2 horizontals, horizontal 1, horizontal 2. Then you have 3 verticals. First vertical, second vertical, the third vertical, followed by a horizontal and followed by a vertical. तो आप IIT पहुंच गए. तो अभी आपने क्या किया? आपने H और B को अरेंज किया. So looking at it, the total number of ways of arrangement. PNC, we have the formula for repetition. The total factorial is total factorial divided by repetition factorial. So what is the total? It's 3 plus 4, 7. 7 factorial divided by repetition factorial. अब repetition factorial की जब हम बात करते हैं तो हमारे पास repeat क्या हो रहा है? H 3 बार repeat हो रहा है और V 4 बार repeat हो रहा है. It's 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial 4 factorial. It's 7 into 5 into 6. I'm sorry, it's 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 factorial तो गया, 3 to the 6 ये भी गया. The answer is 35. So there are 35 ways to reach IIT. 35 ways to reach IIT, and there is only one way to not reach IIT, that is not study for it. Fine. Fine. Now moving to the next thing, we have a JEE Advanced 2017 question. This JEE Advanced 2017. The question is, there is a set S. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The question says, find the number of subsets. Find the number of subsets Nk, where K is the number of odd elements. That is the odd numbers. K is the number of odd elements, or we say odd numbers. Odd numbers. And we need to find n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 plus n5. That is what we are looking for. That's a question. So looking at this question, S is a set containing 9 numbers, 1 to 9. The number of subsets Nk, where K is the number of odd numbers. You have to find N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 plus N5. And remember this, your subset has to contain exactly 5 elements. Your subset has to contain exactly 5 elements. That's the question. Now looking at this N1. N1 means इसमें odd number 1 होना चाहिए. तो even number कितना हो जाएगा? 4. Talk about N2. N2 में 2 odd number होगा and even number हो जाएगा 3 because total 5. Next is we have N3. N3 में 3 odd and 2 even, and N4 में will be having 4 odd and 1 even, N5 5 odd and 0 even. I hope we are clear up to here. Now moving further, odd numbers हैं कितने हमारे पास? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have got 5 odd numbers. Number of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. अभी अगर हम बात करते हैं, I have 5 odd numbers. उसमें से मेरे को एक odd number select करना है. It's 5C1. 4 even number में से 4 select करने हैं. It's 4C4. Moving on to the next part. 5 odd numbers, 5 odd number में से 2 select करना है. It's 5C2. And 4 even में से 3 even select करना है. It's 4C3. Move to the third part. 5 odd, 3 odd need to be selected. It's 5C3. 4 even में से 2 even select करना है. It's 4C2. 5 odd, 4 to be selected. 5C4. 4 even, 1 need to be selected. 4C1. 5 odd, 5 need to be selected. 5C5. And it's 4C0. Now just calculate it. 5C1 we know is 5. 4C4 is 1. So that's 5. 5C2 is 10. 10 into 4, 40. 5C3. You know 5C3 is 10 again. 4C2 is 6. So it's 60. 5C4, 5. 4C1 is 4. That's 20 again. 5C5, you know NCN is 1. So 5C5 is 1. 4C0 is 1. So it's 1. That's the total number of N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 plus N5. Just total it up. 5 plus 40, 45. 105. 125. 126. 60 plus 40, 100. 120. 125 plus 1, 126. So 126 is the final answer. Look at the 2 questions we just discussed. They were not difficult. IIT is easy provided you study regularly. Thank you.